Previously, I've opened some AEW figures, namely Darby Allin, Pac, Penta, and Dustin Rhodes. And today I'm going to be opening some more, namely Rey Fenix and Hangman'Adam Page. Here's Rey Fenix, he's a Series 2 one from Unrivalled collection. She also featured John Moxley, a different Adam Page, MJF, the Penta and Dustin Rhodes that I've already got, and then the Adam Page. This is a different wave. This is a Series 5, which also included a John Moxley, Scorpio Sky, and Frankie Kazarian with their tag belts, first AEW Tag Champions. And then you've got the Hangman'Adam Page, which I'm going to open here, and then Luchasaurus and Jungle Boy. As I've previously stated, there is no way to actually get these out of the package without absolutely destroying it, so let's just dive right in. I probably wouldn't have got a Hangman'Adam Page had he not been so linked with the Dark Order. As I intend on getting all those figures when they come out, I definitely did Hangman. Removable elbow pad there. Same level of articulation as you've had on all the others. Got the bandana. Need to take off the head to remove that though, by the looks of it. So just give that a go. There we are. So put that back on. Excellent. There we go. The profile. I've got some plastic just around the waist there. There was a similar thing with the Darby Allin. He had some plastic inside the sleeves of the jacket that he was wearing, presumably that's so that the rubber of the clothing doesn't rub against the actual figure itself and like scuff it up or what have you. There we go. Oh, comes with some accessories as well. Oh, flying whiskey glass. Yes, there's a little whiskey glass there. Pops in that hand there. A little manoeuvring. There we go. There you go. Lovely. Cheers. And then a drink. Slurp it up. Cool. And then he's got a picture here as well. Which rings, no, not going to go in that hand there like that. It's going to go around there. There we go. Cool. There we go. Nice little accessories. He also comes with an extra hand, a little pointy finger there. Yeah, a little close up. We'll pop that one out. Pop this one in. There we go. Little shooty pointy finger hand. Pew pew! Stick 'em up. And now for Rey Fenix. Let's open this one up as well. Dive straight in there. No accessories or anything else with this one. No extra hands. No nothing. Just the man himself. Just get out of the plastic there. Right. There we go. You can see there. Got the see what the detail was tattoos there. Quite a lot of detail there on the mask. Cool. So look at the back of his mask there. There's some tassels there on the back. This used to be a feature of a lot of his masks, particularly when he was back in Impact Wrestling, but not something that he tends to have on his outfits quite so much now that he's in AEW. But then both him and Penta regularly change up all their gear, so who knows if the tassel will make a comeback. Just gonna focus in a second and get some of the detail there on his tattoos. Not very easy to see here, but you know they are pretty detailed. Now I've got all of Death Triangle.